Most people think the secret to wealth is having better tools, better mentors, better luck. But that's not the truth. The truth is there is one skill rich people master that no one talks about. And if you don't develop it, you'll stay stuck spinning your wheels and wondering why success feels so far away. And let me show you what it is. Before I ever made a single dollar online, I was a security contractor working in war zones. One time, a mission was shut down because of one single specialized cable. Nobody had it, not even the backup suppliers locally. So I had to fly 22 hours from the combat zone to the United States, grab that cable, and flew 22 hours right back to the war zone to install that cable myself. No sleep, no backup, no excuses. I had no choice but to figure it out. That mission and dozens like it taught me something money cannot buy: pain tolerance. Most people think pain tolerance means physical pain, but the real battle is emotional: rejection, failure, ghosted sales calls, videos that got zero views, funnels that flop, everyone telling you, hey, just get a real job. But the people who win, they've trained for this, all right? They don't break the first time, they get hit, they expect it, and they keep going anyway. That's the difference. Most people quit when they feel discomfort. Rich people use it as fuel. Pain tolerance is a skill. You are not born with it. You build it. Wake up earlier than you want to. Do the uncomfortable thing before you are ready. Post the video even when you are scared. Have the sales conversation even when your voice shakes. You don't need to love the pain. You just need to stop running from it. Because discomfort is not a red flag, it's a green light. And here's the secret: I'm not smarter than you. I'm not more talented than you. I just kept going when it sucked. When my first funnel failed, that didn't break me. When I made $0 in my first product launch, that didn't break me because I had already been through worse. The pain trained me. And once I realized this was a skill I could build, just like going to the gym, everything else got easier. If you want to learn how I use this mindset to build a 7-figure online business from scratch, I put a free step-by-step training in the video description down below. It will show you how to make money online even if you don't want to create your own products. It's the exact method I used to go from delivering auto parts to delivering massive results. Your income is directly tied to your pain tolerance. Anyone can post when it's fun. Anyone can work when they are motivated. But success shows up for the people who stay in the game when it's hard. And that's what separates the amateurs from the pros. And that's why most people stay broke. They think discomfort means something is wrong, but discomfort is how you grow. All right, you can build this muscle too. Start by doing the hard things when no one is watching. You don't need $1 million funnel. You don't need a perfect strategy. You just need to keep showing up, especially when it sucks. My friend, train your pain tolerance and everything else gets easier. All right? Don't forget to check out the free training in the video description down below. And if this video hit home, drop a comment down below. I read every single one. I'll see you in my next video. Let's go.